This video will discuss the options for homeowners to opt out of the public access requirement of Regulation 8 when completing an abatement in a single-family residential dwelling, or SFRD. This allows the homeowner to avoid the requirements of the regulation for notification and other aspects of the regulation. This is done by submitting to the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment the completed SFRD Opt-Out form. The homeowner must reside in the SFRD, and it must be their primary residence for the opt-out to be accepted by the department. Once granted, the opt-out of public access will remain in effect until the asbestos abatement project is completed, or the homeowner no longer owns the SFRD, or it is no longer the primary residence of the homeowner. When any one of these occur, the SFRD will revert back to an area of public access, and all the requirements of Regulation 8 will apply. The SFRD opt-out does not apply to the following situations: if the homeowner plans to demolish, sell, or rent the property following the project, or renovations will impact an area of public access, or renovations will impact an area where members of the general public will have access to for business purposes. The SFRD opt-out may be a good cost savings option for homeowners that are having asbestos abatement completed in their primary residence. Even with an opt-out, we still recommend that best practices be used by the abatement contractor to limit the exposure of residents to asbestos. Call White Hat Services for all your asbestos testing and consulting needs.